What's up guys, welcome to this video. Nick John here, and if you guys have seen my recent videos on Tradera, I recently joined Tradera about a week ago, and this video is going to be explaining all about how to maximize the compensation plan with the Tradera business model and how to actually get a weekly and monthly residual income in your bank account to help fund your trading account so that you can make even more profits in the Forex markets. All right guys, so this video is for you if you are looking to make weekly recurring and residual income. If you've ever wondered what it's like to make, repeatable, consistent, predictable income online, and to do it with an automated system that I've pretty much created for you guys, then stay to the end of this video because I'm going to be showing you guys some really cool stuff in this one. All right, so first off, some of you guys might be wondering, like, how do I know to trust you? How do I know that you know what you're doing in building a business? And how do I know that you're a credible source to get information from on this topic? And so for the first portion of this video, I'm actually going to be just showing you guys, proving to you guys that this system does work. It has worked for me. It's working for other people on my team. To do that, I'm going to screen share. I'm going to show you guys my Tradera back office, show you guys my business, my results that I've gotten for the past week that I've been enrolled in Tradera. And before I get into this, if you guys are not familiar with the Tradera compensation plan, then go ahead and check out my other video that explains the business opportunity and the entire Tradera platform. If you guys haven't seen that, go and check that out now. But if you have seen the Tradera comp plan and you know exactly what I'm talking about, then let's jump right into this. So I've been in the network marketing and affiliate marketing space for the last 3 years now, so I've pretty much seen it all. I've seen the ups and the downs, I've seen what works and what doesn't. And so I've taken all that experience and knowledge and put it into a really easy to use, fast start system for you guys to be able to use to actually explode your Tradera business right from the beginning and get your membership for free and start making residual incomes right away, okay? So first off, let's just hop into my back office here in Tradera, and I wanna show you guys that, this is proof that, this business is exploding right now for me. As you can see, my total downline is 37. Let's just refresh this. And as you can see that I have more than I need for direct referrals. So at this point, I'm actually giving out my personal referrals. And that's what's part of making this momentum so amazing, and what's making it grow so fast is that I'm able to actually give people their first personal sign up, and that gets people pretty excited to get their membership for free or continue with the business model and make some weekly residual incomes. So as you guys can see here, my current rank is Knight, and guys, like I said, I've only been doing this for a week. So this is $500 a month in residual incomes if you guys aren't familiar with the compensation plan. And guys, if you don't believe me on that, go back to my YouTube channel, look at when I posted my first video in Tradera. It was literally when I first got logged in, and it was an honest review of the Tradera back office and the entire system. And that was just only about a week ago when I first got logged in. And now you can see here that I'm on Knight. I'm currently very close to hitting Noble, which is $1,000 a month residual. I just need to basically balance out my legs. I already have the volume for it. I just need to balance out the legs and everything, and you guys will learn about that as well. But anyways, I'm not showing you guys this to brag or anything. I'm not showing you to show this off in any way. All I'm doing is I'm showing you the system that we have going right now is working, and this is proof of that, So something that I really want to show you, and this is for anybody who is thinking about joining Tradera for the business opportunity, or those of you who are already in Tradera but you are not seeing results with going founder. You want to get your free membership, but you just don't have the support to be able to get you there. And this is also for those of you who maybe are doing the compensation plan, but you're just not seeing the type of results that you want to. You're not seeing the momentum that you really want to take you to those higher residual income levels. Okay, so what I want to show you guys here is a course that I've created for my personal team, and this is what's been able to explode our team exponentially and just getting us amazing results. Before I show you this, I want to let you guys know that it's not just me getting these results. I actually have, if I go into my network here, I could show you guys. I'm not going to go too deep into it because I don't want to make this video too long, but I do have, I think, 2 Knights on my team so far, and I have like at least 5 founders on my team as well. So it's not just me getting these amazing results. It's actually multiple people. Another person just went Knight in literally a day. He went Knight overnight, like literally last night. I saw in here I had 25 people in here last night on my team, and then this dude literally went night overnight. So guys, it's not just me getting these results. There's other people on the team absolutely crushing it, and it's because they're using this system. It's very duplicatable, it's very easy to use, and I'm about to show you guys right now. So what it is it's called I Am Legend Academy. And if you guys are familiar with the compensation plan, then you know how I got this name. You know, the top rank in the company is legend, and that is the goal for all of us. We're all legends. The name of this course is actually an affirmation saying I am legend, right? So what this is it's access to the exclusive legendary Tradera business building course for members who want to get their Tradera membership subscription for free, right? Get started in building a residual income online, or for people who just want to absolutely explode their business by leveraging expert training and mentorship. Okay, so I'm gonna go and actually log into this course and show you guys what it looks like. And by the way, you can access this course on your mobile device, tablet, or a laptop. I prefer using a laptop for this training just because it works a lot smoother and everything like that, but you can access this course through a mobile device as well and actually learn while you're on the go. So I created this course to be the perfect system for maximizing the compensation plan with the Tradera business. So therefore, module 1 is called Road to Founder, right? It's just all about everything you need to go founder, which is getting your first 3 personal referrals and getting your Tradera membership for free, getting your trading education platform absolutely for free. So what's going to be in this module is going to be everything that you need to go founder and nothing else. It's literally all the information that you need to go founder, and that's it. And you don't even have access to the other modules until you actually hit that rank of founder. Once you hit that rank of founder, you send me a DM on Instagram or wherever, and I actually go into the back office and upgrade your account and your membership to the Road to Night, which then you get access to a whole nother module with a ton more content and information and knowledge. And that way, it's all the knowledge that you need to take you to night, which is the next rank in the company, and so on. So once you hit night, then you message me saying night, and I give you access to the next module, which is Road to Noble, and so on. And it keeps going on. And guys, the value just keeps stacking, right? There's information on business building, there's information on leadership, there's information on direct sales, there's information on sales funnels and how to leverage online websites and sales funnels and advertising to actually just blow up this business like crazy. There's information on mindset. So right here is the mindset portion of this module. And think of mindset like this. It's very, very important. When I first discovered mindset, it was an absolute game changer for me, right? Because think about this. Think about anybody that you know who is rich. What kind of mindset do they have? Do they have a poor mindset? No, that doesn't exist. There's no rich people with a poor mindset, and there's no poor people with a rich mindset. You have to have a rich mindset to be rich and allow that wealth to flow into your life. If you don't have a millionaire mindset and you go and win $1 million lottery, then what's going to happen to all that money that you just won? It's going to go away, right? You're going to lose it because you don't have the mindset that's in place to actually sustain that amount of wealth. So the mindset portions are very important in every single module to go through. And we have advanced, beginner level of mindset and Road to Founder, leading all the way up to advanced level concepts in all of these different areas. There's amazing stuff in here. There's actually a course that runs for over $1,300 that I put inside this course. That's in the Road to Night portion of it. It's a course by Jordan Belfort, and I actually put it in here for free for you guys. And by the way, this is totally free. This entire course right here, this is an entire masterclass that I would probably sell for like $2,000 if it was on the market. But everybody on my Tradera team gets access to this course for absolutely no cost. It's completely free. And so I've already had people switch over from other teams because they weren't getting the level of support that they needed in their current Tradera team that they were in. And they actually just moved over to my team, and now they're seeing amazing results with using this system and leveraging this course. And guys, not to mention, you will actually have me as a personal mentor to guide you through the whole process of getting to founder and beyond, and crushing the ranks in the compensation plan and building that weekly residual income. Because I am all into this business. I'm all in with Tradera. I see the potential with the compensation plan, and I'm going to legend, guys, okay? So guys, my question to you is, are you in or are you in? If you want to explode your Tradera business and get huge weekly residual incomes with the compensation plan and leveraging my tools in exploding your business, then you're gonna wanna secure your position right now. Because as you can see, I'm only night in the business right now. I've just started this. I just got locked in about a week ago, but I'm all in with this business. I'm going to legend, whether you're gonna be with me or not. But I promise you, if you guys lock in a position right now, now is the perfect timing, because I'm about to explode this business and I'm gonna be able to actually put people under you, and you will be in a very, very good position if you get locked in right now today. So again, you've seen the compensation plan, you've seen what I have to offer with this course, you've seen my results, and you know that this business is highly lucrative and that you can make a ton of money if you get locked in with this system that I have set up here. So if you're ready to take advantage of this opportunity and explode your Tradera business using the compensation plan and this course that I've created for you guys, then click the link in the description. And again, if you've ever wondered what it's like to make repeatable, consistent, predictable income online, I'm telling you guys, this is it right here. The Tradera compensation plan, the product of Tradera is amazing. The trading education, the signals are amazing. The compensation plan is amazing. It's the best opportunity I've seen in the past 3 years of doing network marketing and affiliate marketing. So that is why I am all into this business. I am all in for you. I am here to help you. And so with that being said, click that link in the description and I'll be looking forward to seeing you on the inside. Once you're signed up with Tradera on my team, send me a little message on my Instagram at lifeofnickjohn, and I'll send you your secret personal sign up link for my course, I Am Legend Academy. And I'll be looking forward to seeing you guys on the inside. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video today. If you did, please leave a like on the video and comment I am legend in the comment section if you are ready to explode your Tradera business. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.